Now we're going to look at how to print this topographic map. Usually for printing purposes, layout views are used, which are located at the bottom of your screen. This is particularly important if you're using title blocks or different part views. But we're going to look at the simplest way to export this picture out of AutoCAD for now. So I'm going to go up to my AutoCAD Civil 3D icon up here. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to go to print. This window comes up. I just want to print a single sheet. Okay. So now if you're wanting to make a PDF, for example, of just what you've drawn, you can go up to your printer and hit Adobe PDF. And then over here where it says what to plot, usually I would select on window and I would select what it is that I want to show up in my PDF, just like that. Okay. Over in the middle area, it gives you an idea what that printable area on the sheet would be like. So usually I hit center the plot. And then over on the bottom right, you can see that you have some options whether or not you want to plot portrait or landscape. If I plot it portrait, I can see that my printable area is actually going to be a little bit bigger. So dimensionally, I think it'll work out a little bit better if I print it as a portrait. I'm going to preview it just to have a look, see what it's going to look like. So it's going to look something like that. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to plot it, save it, and this is what comes up. Okay, so here's my just a PDF of the topographic file I made. It's not a real fancy AutoCAD version with title blocks and all that stuff, but this is one of the easiest ways to quickly export data out of, or export figures or data out of AutoCAD into a PDF.